Woke up with the sun shining in my eyes, feeling like I'm soaring in a boundless sky. Every little thing gonna be alright, living life like it's a piece of pie. Got friends and family by my side, no worries in the world, just enjoying the ride. Laugh until we cry, feeling oh so bright. Grateful for this joy, it feels so right. Oh, the happy heart sings with delight, dancing through the days and the starry night. Every moment cherished, hold it tight. Grateful for this life, it's pure and bright. Found a four-leaf clover in the grass, winking at the future, no regrets from the past. Smiling at strangers, spreading love so fast. Treasuring these days, hope they forever last. Even when the rain starts to pour, I know there's sunshine waiting at the door. Through the highs and lows, life gives us more. Grateful for each heartbeat, what's in store. Skipping through the streets, feeling light and free. Humming with the birds, such sweet harmony. Life's a melody like the buzzing of a bee. Grateful for this tune that's filling me.